Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Java RMI, Remote Method Invocation, is a mechanism that allows Java programs to invoke methods on an object located in another Java virtual machine, JVM. This can be on the same machine or on a remote machine. To set up an RMI server, we need to define a remote interface, implement that interface, and create a server to register the remote object with the RMI registry, which clients can then use to look up the remote object. ### tutorial on Java RMI server hostname. ### Step 1, setting up the remote interface. The first step is to create a remote interface that defines the methods that can be called remotely. This interface must extend java.rmi.remote, and each method must throw a remote exception. ### Step 2, implementing the remote interface. Next, create a class that implements this remote interface. This class will provide the actual implementation of the remote methods. ### Step 3, creating the RMI server. Now, create a class that sets up the RMI server. This class will bind the remote object to the RMI registry. ### Step 4, creating the RMI client. Finally, create a client that looks up the remote object and invokes the remote method. ### Step 5, running the RMI application. 1. Compile the Java files *. 2. Start the RMI registry *. You can start the RMI registry from the command line. This command should be run in the directory where your classes are located, or you can specify the class path. 3. Run the RMI server *. In a new terminal window, run. 4. Run the RMI client *. In another terminal, run. You should see the response from the server, confirming that the RMI communication is working. ### Important notes. Hostname * in the client code, you can replace 127.0.0.1 with the actual hostname or IP address of the server machine if the server is running on a different machine. Security Manager * in production environments, consider implementing a security manager to limit access rights. Firewall settings * ensure that firewalls allow traffic on the port used by the RMI registry, default is 1099. This tutorial provides a basic overview of Java RMI, focusing on setting up a server and client. You can expand this by adding more complex data types, handling exceptions, and implementing security measures as needed.